Hey guys, Anisha here, and thanks for checking out this video where we are doing some organizing underneath the kitchen sink. So here's a look at the area before. Not terrible, but definitely room to improve. And like with any other organization project, the first thing you'll want to do is remove everything and clean the area that you'll be working in. And for me, I actually started this project the day before because I replaced my kitchen sink faucet. Here is some clips of that. If you are in need of some tips for replacing your own faucet or simply want to just watch that video, I'll be sure to link it in the description box. Once that was done, I took some measurements inside of the cabinet for a shelving unit that I was going to build. And once I had all of the wood pieces cut, I brought them back in to do a test fit to make sure I cut everything to the right size. And then it was time to assemble the shelves. And here I'm just starting with my first shelving unit. And there is not a single project that I do in this house that I do not have two little helpers standing close by, ready and willing to assist. So here's my first little helper. And my second. These are my two little sweet girls. They are 2 and 4 and so hilarious. And now I'm just using one of my storage jars that I purchased for this area, and I'm using that to mark the distance for the shelves for this middle unit. Once I was done building both shelving units, I gave them a coat of paint, and then it was time to install. And now it is time to organize. So here's a look at everything that I have to go back into this space. I had a few of these black baskets already. The rest I just picked up from Dollar Tree along with these glass jars with the black lids. All of these storage containers came from the Dollar Tree. And now I'm just going through and kind of deciding the layout of how I want everything. And now I'm just going in and filling up the jars, and these jars are so good, you guys. Like I said, all of these baskets and jars did come from the Dollar Tree, and I filmed this about a week and a half ago. So if you are in need of any storage jars, definitely head out to your local Dollar Tree to see if you can find these, or check online. These are really nice and they stack. And from here, I'm just going to fill up my baskets and just kind of play around with the arrangement and get everything in the space that I want it to go. And I just continue to adjust the layout, move things around. You know how it is when you're organizing. You just got to keep kind of playing around with the arrangement until it looks the way you want it to look, or you're satisfied where everything is. And here I just printed a couple labels, one for this jar that I put baking soda in, and then another one for my DIY spray cleaner. And for this basket that you saw me place in the back, this is just going to house all of my excess products and products that I don't use very often. And the basket in the front, I just stored some paper towels in. And the last thing I did was hang up a couple hooks, one for my rubber gloves and the other for my little broom and dustpan set. And here is one more look at the before. And here is the after. And I am just really loving this organization that I created in this space. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope that it gave you some motivation and inspiration to tackle an organization project in your home. So if you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below if you have any questions or just to say hi. And if you are new to my channel, I hope you enjoyed this video enough to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye.